This is the final video to solve Claude code stuck retrying broken commands loop keep. After dealing with Claude code stuck retrying broken commands loop keep myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The first method addresses the command queue by clearing its cache data, preventing old or corrupted instructions from interfering. Next, we'll reset the Claude session entirely, creating a fresh start for its processing. Verifying your API keys is crucial, as incorrect authentication can cause repeated retries. A stable network connection ensures commands are sent and received without interruption. Method 2 involves refreshing the Claude environment, which reloads all its core processes. Rebuilding the command sequence tackles any logical flaws in how instructions are structured. Inspecting error logs provides specific clues about what's going wrong internally. Method 3 focuses on purging temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Reauthenticating your user profile ensures Claude recognizes your access correctly. Method 4 suggests clearing local storage, which removes any lingering data that could cause issues. Reinitializing the Claude instance gives it a clean slate to operate from. Fixing Claude code stuck retrying broken commands loop keep often comes down to these foundational steps.